Hello everyone, this is Yesenia Gomez with C21 Tri-Cities. Today I am at 2505 Clearwater Avenue in Kennewick, Washington. I will be hosting an open house this coming up weekend, Saturday and Sunday. I wanted to bring you guys along for a quick sneak peek, and maybe you guys are interested and stop by to say hi. Come on in. This home offers 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, a 2-car garage, and additional storage in the backyard, plus some other cute and unique features. One of them in particular that is my personal favorite is the master bedroom with its master bathroom. I would love to show you guys around and give you guys a sneak peek. So here's a master. I really like the fact that it is a really good sized bedroom and it's an open floor concept towards the bathroom. It has a really spacious walk-in closet. I really love the built-in full-size mirror. Come check it out. Again, I will be here hosting an open house this coming up Saturday and Sunday. Come on by and check it out yourself.